Strong legs. 1. Thighs are weak. Practice straight leg kicks 50 times a day. 2. Don't have the strength to squat. Practice crane posture 50 times a day. 3. Feel unsteady when walking. Practice kicking your calves 50 times a day. 5 favorite moves of the cervical spine. Action 1. Chest expansion with hands together, making 30 moves. Action 2. Make a fist and look up, making 30 moves. Action 3. Reverse pull, making 30 moves. Action 4. Look up at the palm, making 30 moves. Action 5. Hold your neck and lean back, making 30 moves.